Are you tired of analyzing companies, reading investment books and watching useless YouTube videos from people that don't even have an ordinary $1 billion in their bank account? Well, look no further. Today, I am going to share my 3 money tricks that will make you a trillionaire in a week. All you have to do is smash that like button and subscribe like there is no tomorrow. Okay, let's do it. First, don't know what stocks to buy? Stop wasting time thinking about it. It's 2025. AI is here. Just ask. But you have to be a whiz with AI prompts. But don't worry, I will share my secret formula right now. Open any AI chatbot and write, "What stock should I buy to get FU asterisk king rich?" And then don't make a beginner's mistake. Don't just post that. Add a question mark, show respect, and you will get gold. Okay, so we have our stocks, but now when to buy, when to sell? Don't waste time on valuations and other boring 2024 style stuff. Think big, dream big. Sky is the limit and your stocks are going to the moon. So that is where you will find the answers. In the stars. Just go to the best astrology website ever created and look at this table. Current planets. Because we need to get best and current informations about our planets. You need to get current and reliable information to make trillions a week. Otherwise, it just does not work. So we look at this table and find Mars, because that is a planet of the warriors. And we are the warriors. We conquer the world. And next to Mars are all those numbers, and they probably mean something, but don't waste time on understanding it. Just add them. And if the number is even, like 2, 4, 6, you get the drift, then buy. If it's odd, like not that it's weird, but like 1, 3, 5, okay, got it? Good. You're good. If it's odd, then sell. Simple and works every time. And my third secret trick to getting rich faster than the speed of light is to use our intelligence. We are going to take a book called Intelligent Investor. But don't worry, we are not going to read it. That would be boring, and we are winners. We don't do boring shit. Just open it on any page and look for 3 letters that just pop at you. Write them down, and that is a ticker symbol of your next greatest investment in the history of humanity. So, keep it real, don't waste time on boring things, and invest like there is no tomorrow. Respect.